CEL or Cool Polyurethane Lagrangian explosion over the reinforced concrete with a steel column core. You can see here, this is the result. Let's remove the Oiderian domain. Okay, and now you can see here, this is the concrete, the beam inside the concrete, and rebar here. See that? This is the stress, and the column completely failed. See that? Let's go to request the concrete damage. This is the concrete damage. See that? You can see the damage inside the concrete. And if I request the damage for bars and beams, let's go to first remove this part and see that. Okay. If I click on this, you can see here TNT expansion or TNT growth. You can see this is the TNT, this is the initial volume of TNT, and after that it increases enormously and creates damage on the column, and you can see that this is the Oiderian explosion. So if you need this file, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. In our website there are many English tutorials. They are provided for English users. Click on the title or the blue sign. This is continue, and now you will have this title, explanation about the process and simulation and figures. You can see that these are the results here, and there are three important points here. The file contains C and English video files step by step, and the cost is $35 US. You can pay it with PayPal. If you have PayPal, send me an email to this address. This is a better way to use PayPal. Thank you for attention.